everyone, my name is Apurva Ajay Sawan. I'm studying from 4 Jupiter. My roll number is 9. Today's exhibition is like a water cycle. Water cycle is mainly known as heritage cycle. Heritage cycle is only known as at night, and water cycle is only known as day. Now, the water cycle is known as heritage cycle is the continuous process by which water is adapted. The steps are water vapor, evaporation, cloud formation, condension and rain. Thank you.
This is a heart model. This is deoxygenated vein. This is oxygenated vein. Deoxygenated vein cross from the right vertical till pulmonary artery, and the oxygenated vein cross from the artery left vertical till pulmonary vein. And this full model is called a heart. Thank you. my dear friends, our topic is my lungs. Airflow. The lungs generate free airflow that blows through the vocal folds. Vocal folds. The vocal folds vibrate when air passes through them, creating sound. Mouth and nose. The mouth and nose shape the sound produced by the vocal sound to form speech. Thank you.
This is satellite communication. This is a Google Center, and it's a data, message, or video, and a Google Center sends a precise signal to this. It's called a satellite. A satellite transponder changes frequency. Satellite transponder transmit the signal to this. It's called the local tower, and the local tower sends to buildings, radio, television, phone, computer, rockets, ships, and cars.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arshi Talkar. My name is Arshi Talkar. Our project is forest conservation. Forests are very important part of our nature. They are called green lungs. They absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. They save us from natural disasters. They make our environment green and flat. It is a home to many wild animals and birds. Forests reduce global warming. Cutting of trees is not good for our environment. We must save our forest and wildlife for our better future. Thank you.
Spoon.
Something important about environment. Environment is our house. Environment is our house. Like our water, trees, flowers, and animals and birds and more things. We have to protect this. Like like we have to protect these things. Like when we are brushing the teeth, we have to do not waste the water. And now we will protect the trees. Like we have to do not cut the trees and we have to plant more trees. Do not use plastic bags. Use cloth bags. Thank you. Water is very important for all living. We use water to drink, cook, clean and help plants grow. We get water from rains, rivers, lakes, hand pumps, ponds, wells and groundwaters. Why is water important? We need water to stay hydrated. Animals and plants need water to live. Water helps clean things like clothes and dishes. Saving water Water is precious. We should not waste it. Thank you. My name is Arya Meldankar. I study in class 1. The name of my project is Safety Rules on Road. Some safety rules are like this. Wear helmet while driving. Do not watch phone while driving. Wear seatbelt while driving. Do not run on the road. Look signal lights. That will keep the accidents away. Thank you.
He's taking a photo where you are looking.
Water bodies are places where we can find water in nature. There are different types of water bodies and they are very important for all living things. Lake. A lake is a big area of water surrounded by land. Some lakes are very big while others are small. People like to visit lakes to see the water and sometimes go boating or fishing. River. A river is a long moving stream of water. River starts in the mountains and flow towards oceans or lakes. Rivers give us water to drink, water for plants to grow and help people travel by boat. Pond. A pond is a small water body. Ponds are full of fish, frogs, ducks, and other animals. They are smaller than lakes, but they are fun to visit because you can see many animals. Ocean. Oceans is the largest water bodies. They are very, very big and are full of salty water. Oceans are home to many sea creatures like fish, whales, and dolphins. Ships also travel across oceans to move goods. Seas. Seas are like oceans, but much smaller. They are still very large and also full of salty water. Some seas are connected to oceans, and they are home to many sea animals too. Water bodies are important because they help us get water to drink and grow food. Many animals and plants also live in water bodies. We must take care of them and keep them clean so that everyone can enjoy them. The next time you see lake, river or ocean, remember how special they are. Thank you.
Am I going to take you somewhere? Who else is here? Anyone who
This is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a type of electricity which generates from the energy of moving water, like waterfalls and rivers. Said that hydroelectricity is sent to our homes, schools, factories, etc. Power things like lights, computers, machines, etc. In India, there are many hydroelectricity power plants. From that one is Toyam River. Thank you. My name is Sharva. One pachet.
Electromagnetic field in a motor which has to generate electricity. And why the lights are blinking is why dynamo produces pulsating electrical power. Thank you.
My name is Sharva. This project is about windmill. Windmill is a machine that harnesses the power of the wind. It is used to pump water or produce electricity. It converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy. The windmill has a number of blades that spins around when wind blows on them. It is mounted on a tall tower. First windmill was designed by the United States. Advantages: cost effective, low carbon emissions, and air quality. Thank you. Good morning, parents. This is a projector we are doing. This is the projector. This is our screen. These are the things that we are going to project now. There is only a light inside it to project. See. Now I will on this. Okay. So now this snowman will do. Snowman, a house, and this honeybee, and this cute lovely heart shape. Thank you for visiting us. Chandrayaan-1, India's first lunar mission, launched in 2008, which orbited the moon. Chandrayaan-2, a mission that indicates India's ability to land and roam on the moon. Chandrayaan-3, a mission that landed on the moon's south pole in August 2023, and India is the first country to do so. The revolution of Earth. The rotation of the Earth is turning on its axis. The revolution of the Earth is around the Sun. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete a rotation with respect to the Sun. And the Earth takes 365 days to complete a revolution around the Sun. The Earth's rotation causes day and night, and the Earth's revolution causes seasons. Thank you. Good morning. I am Vin. This is a model of Philly. This is an Earth gravitational force project. Earth gravitational force pulls everything towards its center. It keeps us from floating and makes things fall when dropped. Gravity holds the moon and orbit around Earth. It also helps to form rivers, mountains, and keeps the atmosphere in place. Today I will show you how it works. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create the oxygen and energy in a form of sugar. Thank you.
So at the outset, I would like to thank headmistress of the Mahalaxmi Primary School, Mrs. Gauri Kamat, the management members and the parents for giving me this opportunity to be the chief guest for today's science exhibition which was held at Mahalaxmi Primary School. The exhibits which were presented and put up for the exhibition by the students all were very good exhibits, nicely done, involving not only the student, teachers, but even the parents were involved. The activity like this helps the students to understand the concepts better. In fact, for the children, everything is a wonder. But when they understand the science behind it, they know that how it functions. And the involvement of the students for making the project like this gives the clear understanding of how the nature or how the science functions. I appreciate the headmistress of Mahalaxmi Primary School for involving all the students right from the standard 1 to standard 4. All the students were very enthusiastic. In fact, they were more interested in explaining the project that they have done. It gives me the understanding that the activity like this really makes the child understand the concept, not only to understand the concept, but this is just the beginning of the child's interest in science, wherein they will be more involved in their future in discoveries and inventions. This is just the beginning of finding out or introducing to them science, so that later on they themselves can become the scientists and help the society and the nation for the greater success of the science and technology. The school has also organized one more activity, that is they have the library exhibition, book exhibitions. I just went through all the books. Though this exhibition is done keeping in mind the primary student, yet some of the books that I've seen not only useful for the primary students, but they are also useful to the adults. There are some books on the grammar. I just glanced through the books and I found that these books are also equally important to the adults. Nicely done. The books which have been shortlisted for exhibition, for shortlisting this, I again appreciate the headmistress of the primary Mahalaxmi Primary School for involving the parents, seeking their support in finalizing the books that are to be displayed in this book exhibition. I wish the headmistress and the teachers, I have seen that the teachers, I have shown the great interest in putting up this wonderful science exhibition. I wish all of them a great success in near future. Thank you.